All right, welcome to this very special channel that I call Make Money Journey. It's a channel that I use to document my experiences on this journey of making money online and all the technical stuff that one has to go through in order to get to your desired destination. Might be WordPress, building a website, selling a course, setting up gateway, payment gateway. I don't know what and what. So this is all I'm talking about here. And most of the time, I talk about the things that I find very difficult, that is so much of a hassle. Sometimes I'm searching something and I look throughout the whole internet. I check everywhere on YouTube. I don't even find a solution. And I come and make a video about it. So it might seem like this guy is a complainer. But it's just that I record the things that give me problem here. And if I find a solution, I also record it. I also bring it to this channel. So it's a good place to check out solving big problem, especially for beginners. All right. So main thing I'm going to talk about is, a website like Bluehost. Okay. I wanted to make another website, right? Just listen to this. I wanted to make another website where I upload my videos so that, because I'm quitting YouTube. I have one channel for music, for guitar playing, and I want to quit because YouTube is playing pranks and playing tricks on us. So when I want to open a new website, and this Bluehost, they talk so much about Bluehost that is very wonderful and amazing, but it doesn't seem like that to me. Just for me to open another, okay, I go here to Bluehost because it's from Bluehost that I go to my WordPress. So okay, let me talk about what I want to talk about in this video. How to delete your website. I won't really say delete your website. Like you're trying a website, right? And you try a certain theme. And then when you delete the theme, and then the way you had your website set up becomes all screwed up because you deleted the theme you used before. And even if you install a new theme, it's still not as cool as it's supposed to be. Something like that. And I checked out the whole internet. Everybody was talking too much. You got to do a backup. You got to do this. You got to do the SSL, the FPL, the PLP, the API key, and all this stuff. I'm like, holy fucking shit. What? Calm down, guys. I always knew that sometimes some problems require very little, some problem just don't, some problems are easy to solve. But the solution is really very easy sometimes. So I've noticed that trend in most things that I come across with computer and internet, that sometimes they give you a lot of elaborate and bogus things to do and so much forums and things to read. But sometimes it's very easy. And I felt like this is a delight to express this. So I'm going to come back to this thing. Okay, let me just go through the step one by one because I'm not going to rush. I'm doing this recording for myself. So I bought a website. I bought a domain name. So I wanted a nice domain name so I can, use it to do my blah, blah, blah. But when I bought the domain name, okay, this is my site from Bluehost, I had to pay money for it. And that was a whole lot of stuff. Normally, when I click my site here, I will see all my website here. But when I try to create another website, it is always having double name. Let's say, for example, my website is bluehost.com, and then I want to create another website like ilovemusic.com. So when I create the new website here, even under the domains and the subdomain, no matter what I do, no matter everything, I mean like 5-6 hours, I couldn't get it done. And I watched lots of videos, it's just not working. So let's say my new website is ilovemusic.com. When I do it, it will be ilovemusic.com/ilovemusic.com. So it's repeating the name twice. I'm like, why is it doing this? I searched and searched. I didn't find anything. So I just gave up. I just gave them, okay, there's no need for this. So I'm gonna turn. So since I cannot have, I bought a very nice name, which I won't tell you now. Since I could not succeed in using that name so that it can appear like one name just once without repeating twice, let me use my original website and convert it to do, because the new website anyway, there's not much there, but there's some pages that I use for sales, for selling things and all that. So I don't want to destroy those pages. But one thing about a website, you have the main website You have pages within, but the pages, nobody can see the pages. You can use this page to make a sales page and things like that. So I'm like, I'm going to convert the main website for my original purpose, where I can showcase my guitar tutorials. People can come there and watch. I'm tired of YouTube. So when people come to my website, they can see all my videos. So if they watch one of my videos, they'll see other of my videos in the corners and everywhere. That way they will stay on my website and I'll get a lot of views. I don't care about YouTube because YouTube is not paying me enough money and they're lying to us. They don't show my videos. I'm like, okay, so F YouTube. Get my own website where it's all my videos that are there. So my website will kind of look like another kind of YouTube. You'll be watching different videos. So that's what I'm trying to do. But boy, that was hell. So I'm like, I'm going to now use my original website, which is Born to Sing with Guitar. I'm going to use this for that. Although my idea was that let me make another website where other people can also upload their own videos. It's going to look like YouTube. As I was trying to do that, it wouldn't work. I'm not saying it's not possible, but I'm like, okay, fuck it. It's going to be too much work. People uploading video. You're checking the stuff. You're looking at all the thousands of people who want to upload video to your channel. I'm like, no, maybe it's not time for that. Let me rather keep my own website, and I'm the only one uploading videos to it. People can see my different videos. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But I can still make it look like YouTube. But whether I'm going to allow people to upload their own videos or not, I don't know yet. Just a place where I can have crowd, because when one person watch one of your videos and everything they see is your videos or your content and your posts and your blogs, that's very, very nice, because people love watching videos, especially those that want to learn how to play guitar. That way I can have more traffic in my channel, in my website, where I'm in charge, even if I go and get money from it. And I plan to make money by doing adverts, by doing ads for my course. So since I'm not getting enough money from YouTube ad revenue, and they're also taking away 30% from my money, I'm like, okay, it's time. I think it's time to quit YouTube. All the signs are there. So make my money from selling my course and using using ads to promote the course, and people can see my videos. I'll still leave the YouTube videos also there, but little by little I'll finally quit, and people can come to my website and watch my videos. So my website, where people are seeing my videos, or YouTube, is for them to have trust in me that I'm actually a real music person teaching people. I'm not just some scam. Say buy my course for X amount of money. So anyway, so now let me enter my web. So I wanted to create another website to do that, but it wasn't possible because whenever I create the name of the website, it's always showing double names. And I couldn't just input. It was just not working because maybe I don't know how to do it, and there was no video that could help me. So I'm making this kind of video for those kind of problems you're looking for. But every video on YouTube is just talking and beating about the bush and never get into the real deal that can actually help you. So I'm talking very fast because a lot of things to talk about here. Anyway, so I'm now and in this, okay, let me just go into the website. So there's this theme called JNews that you can import. Okay, let me go into WordPress now, to my website, or whatever it's called, the main page of my website. Although I still have some pages within the website, but you don't see it in the website because it's just pages. So we're here. So although I didn't record how I solved the problem, I'm going to talk about it here. So it's like I installed a theme, JW theme, JNews theme, whatever theme, so that you see at first thing, a lot of things to talk about here. At first, my website was like done with Elementor. My main website was done with Elementor at first. Listen very carefully to I won't show you much things here, but just because many things I've already done, but I was not recording them. I was just suffering and working. So I'm going to explain those things. So when I did a website with Elementor, and I tried to change the view of my website, most of them don't have that way of working with Elementor, because when you're using a theme, a theme is kind of working more in the Gutenberg. You have the Gutenberg, the local ways. I won't say local. It's like more of a traditional way of doing a website. Elementor is kind of like a groovy. I won't say groovy, like a modern way of doing website. So my website needs to be done in a kind of Gutenberg kind of way. So anytime I'm trying to import a theme to give my website a different look, it wasn't working. And I'm like, okay, but what about my original website that I've done? I'm like, it's just videos that are there, just videos. I'm like, I don't care about that. So what I now went to do, I just deleted I went to, okay, let me get back to how it normally should look like. I think I didn't even know that you can come to all this place. Nobody explained all of this, and nobody explained. I've been watching videos for about 1 year now about WordPress, to 1 year, but nobody told me that when you're in WordPress like this left hand side on the top, you can actually see your own website and see how it actually looks. Nobody ever told me that. Fucking people. I want to click that now to see my website after I've read everything. And I didn't, because I try to do backup here. So what I normally do, if I go into Elementor, there were some pages here, with videos from YouTube, blah blah, So with the beautiful page that was here, the top thing, I just clicked the top one. It just deleted everything. After deleting everything, then I saved it. So it now became blank. After I delete, so my website before, there was a lot of things that you can scroll. All I had to do, I just deleted the top one here. And as I did that, it deleted the whole thing. But I also had another thing. I also had to reinstall Astra. This is Astra theme. Astra was the original one that I used in doing the website, because Astra works with Elementor. So another thing I had to do, I had to delete all the plugins that were there. I deleted all the themes, deleted all the plugins. So, and by deleting all the plugins, but of course I carefully deleted the plugins I know I'm not going to be using them. All right. So, and as I did that and deleted all the themes, and then just like I deleted this one right now, and I'm going to update. So this is how I can get away from Elementor, because if I have my website in Elementor like this, I cannot continue to work with the same website with the Gutenberg, with the traditional normal way. So I realized that even if I have a groovy, nice, beautiful website here in Elementor, I cannot even view it in the Gutenberg and continue from there. Although I found a plugin that can make you continue, but you can only add things. It just looks like a photo. It doesn't look like, all the different segments where you can drag this, drop this, write it. I couldn't do anything, just like a photo. So I'm like, okay, let me just start from scratch. So for the fact that I deleted my Elementor like this, there's nothing dangerous about it. There's no danger. I didn't actually need to do backup or anything. Okay, you may be like, okay, maybe you are new something. So I click here. I can even call back the older one that I had. Let me show myself. This video is for me. So if you're like, what's this guy talking about? I know what I'm saying. It could be helpful to you. So another thing, I want to go to what I had before. All the things, the website that I had before. I mean, the look that my website had before. This is the main website, right? It's still not lost. So, no, go and do a backup. I'm going to get this program and then get the lines. No. It's just delete the main, because the website can have pages, but that has nothing to do with the main website. I don't mean post pages. So my pages are still there. Okay, matter of fact, let me go to YouTube and show you my pages. And those pages are coming from that same website that I was just showing you right here. But the pages are not within the main face of the website. It's like other little compartment within a big villa. So let me go to one of my channel, to my main channel, Born to Sing with Guitar. So I'm going to click one of my videos, right? So I'm selling some course online, and I created a sales page using my website. using Elementor. So even though I delete Elementor in the main, but I could the main right. Learn everything from the beginning. Working. Flash this search page. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna close out of this. So for the fact that so that the computer is not working too hard. So this is the main website itself. I can just delete the thing. Even the main website I deleted, I'm trying to create a wall of videos. People can be watching videos. But the way I'm doing it, the way I was doing it before wasn't so nice. Let me just quickly show it here. So, and I can call them back because I saved them in form of a theme. I mean, template within Elementor. You know, just stay with me. Stay with me. Trust me. Stay with me. You can play the video fast if you want. So I can go in here, down, all the way down here. Then I can call back what I had before. I'm going to pretend as if I want to see. It's so, the people are so stupid and dumb. They couldn't even say themes here. So you think you're trying to save something, but the template actually exists, or they live in here too. So as I open this, I won't say save. There's nothing to save. I can go here to library and see the one that I did before, and I can reinsert them. I'm just going to see my templates, and all those ones that provided their pages, but they're all not free. You have to pay for them. So I can just write the name of what I thought I was doing. I think it's this one right here. I think if I say according to the date, maybe it would be like this. Yeah, it would be here. I can just say insert, and I'm like apply. So what I was trying to do, they were telling me, oh, don't delete your website, blah, 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 blah. Okay, maybe they're right, but mine was done in Elementor. And lo and behold, my website is back the way I had it. You see what I'm saying? My website is back the way exactly it was before. There's some videos they're still gonna show up because it's loading. There's nothing lost. There's nothing. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. There's nothing lost. You see, everything is still there. But nobody told me this. You're searching something on the internet. People are talking way too much. Everybody's trying to be clever. You're asking one thing, and that one thing they're going to tell you 10 steps. And as they're saying each step, they're branching out to tell you something else that is very clever, but that you don't fucking need. My site is still here. If I update it right now, I can show you in another page. It's not lost. So all I have in order for me to change the view of my website, I have to make sure that I stop using Elementor. Because Elementor is its own thing. All those special themes and Astra, not Astra, all those special themes like what I want to do, they don't need Elementor. Since I don't want to start from the beginning, I want to use my own original website, then I just have to find a way to do it. I'm gonna click here to close everything. Let me even show you right now. Let me just update. I think if I update, it will override what I had before. If I update, it will override what I had before. Okay, so the website is called borntosingwithguitar.com, right? I can just copy this and open in an incognito window. Which means I'm going to open it, because if I open it here, it will still look like this. So by opening in a private window, to act as if I'm looking at it from a different computer. Nobody ever explained that to me before. People just talk and don't even say what it means. So this is my incognito window. This is my website. It has come back the way it was before. You know? just come back. Nothing's lost. But this is with Elementor. But if I leave it like this, I cannot change anything. I cannot make it better. I've got to delete this one. So deleting this one from Elementor does not mean that I'm deleting the whole website. But the fucking people made it look like I'm deleting the whole website plus everything that is there. No. See what I'm saying? The things are still there. These are my videos. I don't know if to play. Okay, volume or something. Yeah, it's playing because it's playing. See what I'm saying? It's my website. But the problem is that you see, another thing, I didn't want that when the video is playing, it shows all the branding. People can, for example, somebody can click here right now and they can completely leave. I make my own video. Sometimes video that I end up watching. Oh, let me see, wow, let me see something. This guitar was made out of water. Guitar out of water? Wow, let me watch that. Look at this person dancing on a wire. You know, YouTube have a lot of funny videos. Look at this person. This person somersaulted in the air. Wow. They say Jesus Christ is coming back tomorrow. All kinds of videos on YouTube. You might just leave my website and go somewhere else. So I didn't like that. I didn't like that idea. So I said YouTube. So somebody might click that, get out of my. Another thing about YouTube, when you press stop, it doesn't want to stop. It keeps playing. It keeps playing because they want it to be on the website. It keeps playing. See, I stopped that, right? It will still try to play again. Now I'm seeing other videos. Who's this? What is this? What this elegant key? You start watching other videos, you get lost. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, top 10 synthesizers. You get lost. Then maybe I wanted it to be my website. Now you're elsewhere. See what I'm saying? So how did I overcome that? So this is why I'm trying to build my own website where you are seeing only my videos. It will just look like this. All you see is only my videos. So you may be like, okay, I'm tired of watching it. Let me watch another one. You're watching only my videos. Even though I may not be getting money from it because I may not tie it with AdSense or what have you, but I'm happy that I'm getting traffic. And people are coming here. I don't even want any advert like that. People are coming here. They can enjoy my stuff and they can buy my course. They know I exist. Why do we always have to depend on somebody else for everything? Why can't we have our own thing too? You know what I'm saying? So let me close out of this. So now I found a way to stop this. See, this is so it fills the whole screen. I can't even see anything because maybe I'm not so good with Elementor. Elementor is very complicated also. So I think let me just close out of this. You see, that was that. So I found a way to add videos to my website like this, but the video will not have all this YouTube thing. So now I'm going to close out of this. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to close this completely like I did before. And I'm going to use Gutenberg. I'm not going to use, I don't like this. Can all this go forever? Yeah, now I've deleted everything. Just update. It's gone. So now, that way, it's like Elementor doesn't exist. Even if I like, I don't know if I should delete Elementor to cause problem because I still have other pages that are created with Elementor, and I may not want Elementor to be deleted so far. So I'm just going to delete this page. So this page is now gone. So now I cannot go back to WordPress. I don't know how to do that. I guess I can click somewhere here, maybe exit to dashboard. It looks like WordPress here. So I can now show you. I said this video is interesting, right? Many things I'm talking about here. My experience is okay. Is it moving or not? So I'm going to show you how I can have videos in my website, but the video, okay, I use Presto Player, right? There's something called Presto Player where you can have a YouTube video, but as the video is playing your website, it will not look as if it is from YouTube. You can give it a different look. But even that one, after the video finishes to play, you still will see the video, the YouTube branding, like share, copy, blah blah. Even if you right click, you can see all the videos. Or if somebody wants to download the video, they still can. Or maybe you're selling a course or something like that. For whatever reason you have video on your website. Sometimes in my case, I don't want them to leave my website. I want them to remain there. You know. So in fact, that video may also still be in my YouTube. This is interesting. What the same video they're watching may also be in my YouTube channel. But as I copy it into my channel, I have a way of making sure, or I have a plugin or something that I use. That way, it will not allow them to. It won't show other YouTube videos in the beneath. It won't show the share button. It won't show anything. You just show the video alone. It will show it sometimes a little bit, but if you try to click it, it will not be clickable. So that way they are forced to stay in my channel, in my website. So that's one plugin that is very, very, very fun and interesting to have. So now I've left the Elementor. It's telling me Elementor home. So now if I try to visit let me see if I can go to the normal. So I didn't know before that when you are here in WordPress, you can go all the way up here and you can see your site and you can see how it looks like. I never knew that. You can see it's still showing Ediway Elementor because it knows I have a website that was said, yeah, this news portal Elementor was what I used before to make it trying to look like. I'm trying to use this theme to make it look like YouTube so they can see different videos, but all my videos, but looking so sexy and pretty. People just be there. It's a nice website. Wow. And in my channel, I have like 350 videos already. So my videos are many enough to make it look like a platform. So if people go there, those that love to learn guitar, they can just go there. So if they have little attention span, if they're tired of watching one video, they watch another video of mine. That's a very good thing, because having traffic to your website is a very big thing, you know, when it comes to internet and all of that. So you see, I've opened my website. You can see it's empty. Nothing is there. You see, log out, edit profiles, empty. So now I'm trying to find out how to. So this is how I deleted my website. In a way, I've deleted the website. It's kind of empty right now. So if I install a new theme, for example, it will come in here. But before I talk about that, let me show you something like I was talking about, how you can make your videos, like people cannot copy it. People cannot, I don't know. Let me go to my post. Although this is in post, so I didn't know I was in this section called post, where I made a video wall of my videos, some of my videos. So I call this my main. I thought it was my main site. Just as everything I'm saying, you will understand by the time I show you. So I click that. So, but this one, I used the Gutenberg to do it, not this fucking Elementor. Elementor is just its own world. It won't work with many other things, and it wouldn't work with the normal way that internet building normally should work. So this is the one. So this is the Gutenberg. It looks like this, where there's some blocks. They call them blocks. This is my main website. You see. So the problem I don't like with this Gutenberg, when you're doing something, it doesn't have the same look as it will appear when it is done. It looks like this. So if I want to write something right now, I can just click. Okay, so I can just click somewhere here. It's kind of weird. See, if I want to write something, if I want to add something, kind of weird. Like you wouldn't even know that all this, everything's kind of hidden. So this plus, let me say like a text, maybe like a text, right? If I want to write text, I just click that plus button. Then I will now see something called text. Then I will now drag that into the thing before I can write a text. What a fucking, At least it's better than Elementor. Then I can now write something here. You know. Oh, I can just click enter and create more. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Ah, wow, that's interesting. Anyway, so that's that. So right now you can see there are videos there. Now, so if I go to preview this, if I want to look at this the way it normally will look like is by clicking this preview and then click preview in, not in new tab, but preview. Where's it again? Preview. I think it's a new tab. I have to click this last one anyway. Then it will open with this WordPress generating preview. This look like to answer the word. You see this thing I just wrote right now. Now this are video walls. These are the video. I don't like it enough because it fills the whole screen. I want it to have small things, just like YouTube looks like, things in the corners here, small videos here, one video here. They can make the center video large and all that stuff. But the good news is that this Gutenberg way, it allows me to have more plugins that are free than in the Elementor way of doing website. Now, here's what I did. This video, if I play it, you cannot copy it. You cannot copy it. See what I'm saying? You cannot, I'm going to right click now. See, I'm trying to right click, but nothing is showing. But if I left click, it will play. See, see, even if you see something like share or something, you cannot click them, and you can't even get the information of the videos, because in most videos on the internet, even if they do this, you can right click and go to inspect. Then you can see everything about a video and drop it elsewhere and then download it. Now you can never download this video right now. You can't download this video. It's heavily protected. So I can do this to my videos. They're still in YouTube, but they can come and see them here. So it's by using Gutenberg. But the only problem is that this one is not my main website. It's just a post. And I heard that in normal website, posts are the little things you see in the videos in the website. Like in a website like YouTube, you can see one video here, see something, comment here, see different things. They're kind of like posts. Maybe you can see another picture here. They're in the post section of the website. So you might have, I might have a title here, for example. So I might write something here, click here for this. There's a link in there. And all those links coming from different places. So, but I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. This is very nice. So this is what I'm trying to do. But I want it to be my main website, not like a post itself, the main website. But you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's try to check it. Let's try to, yeah. And why is the name like, see, the name is kind of weird. Look at the name, WW. Is it preview? I don't even know what this is, having all these numbers, all these weird numbers here. It's kind of strange. True preview, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I'm sure I can find a way to get the actual true, the real, what's it called? You can see it's still having the Elementor thing beneath. That's because of the Astra theme. If I change the Astra theme right now, this will leave. But at least I'm happy I'm not in Elementor anymore. But this is still not my main website. This is like another segment of the website. It's like pages. This is called post. So I'm new to this thing, and I'm just explaining how I'm understanding it, because those that know about it don't explain it well. They omit and leave out many things that I just scratching my head. I'm not knowing what they're saying. I'm not getting how everything is done. So anyway, let's leave this. So what next to do? At least I found a way to start from afresh. So now, now I should leave this place, because this is, I want to build a website. I want to build my website to look like YouTube, so I can post all my videos there. My 300 plus videos can be there. It can be in the corner, blah blah playlist. They can all be can be like a fantastic website. So those that want to learn guitar can come there and watch for free. Maybe later I can make it that they can pay, be $2 every month, $5 every month, or something like that. They can have access to it. But maybe I don't know. But let's just get that solved. So that's interesting. So this is still a post. So I can now. So when I click here, I want to go to the main website, like visit site, that one we saw. And in that visit site, I want to be able to, I'll do it right before your eyes right now. So now you see the visit site here, but I'm not going to visit. We can just see it. So I want my main site to have the videos. See, like the one before with Elementor, the main site had those videos. This is now my main site. You can see it doesn't have any slash. This is the main site itself where everything will be. But it's empty now. That's because I deleted it from Elementor. Now, how can I edit this place now and have it the way I want? Now, run away from Elementor. Don't get close to it anymore. So what I'm going to do, from what I'm seeing, from all the videos I've watched and from all my trial and error, is themes. So what I'm going to try to do now, they told me what to do to get to. I watched a couple of videos. They say I should download the JNews theme. And then when I download or install the install, whatever it is, get the JNews theme. And when I get that, there's another theme within the JNews theme that is called Play It. Once I install that Play It, another thing that I also learned that with this, you see, I've been trying to install all this themes. So to install, they're called themes. So they're always under appearance. So if I go to this thing called appearance, then I see themes. Remember, I had to delete all themes, all plugins, and leave the only important ones before I succeeded in deleting the main front end of the website. You can see. So this is the Astra theme that is active right now. Normally you should have seen other themes here. It's the only theme that is here. But internet people, they like to make things look confusing because they just have to fill the whole page with things written. They don't like to keep things as if it's only one thing, just make it one. They have to write things everywhere to make it look like the page is full. Very fucking way of doing things, this Weibo people. Because normally there will be other themes here. For example, I can go to install other theme. Let's just try to upload, or is it install? I can also say upload. Because remember, I remove all the other themes and I remove all the other plugins. But I make sure I kept the one the one that needs the thing to run properly. So there are no themes found. Okay, not upload theme. Yeah, I have some themes of my own actually that I can go and try to upload. Yeah, let's go there. Okay, so to upload my own themes, I'll just click here, upload themes. I don't know why I don't normally see add new here. In other people's computer, they write add new here, but mine doesn't write add new here. I don't know why. But just upload themes. I'm going to click now browse here. Sometimes this does not show. You have to scroll down. So these are some themes that I've found on the internet. So let me just choose one of them and let me try this color mag. And some of them you have to pay for them. Some of them are not free, huh? But some guys on the internet have a way of making you get them for free. They're really good thing. So I'm sure you know how YouTube looks like. Yeah, many times I got themes for free, but they are just like nonsense, making me go to website because they want people to visit their website. They say, we have it. Then you go there, you see lots of adverts and a lot of rubbish, and you download them, they can't even install. But this one worked. So now, so there's another mistake I was making before, that when I installed the theme, listen very carefully. It's one thing to install a theme, So another thing to uh, preview the theme and make the theme like apply the theme. I didn't know that before. I thought once you install the theme, but sometimes you have to apply it. You have to like make the theme be make the theme replace the face of your website. So I'm going to say live preview or activate. I'm going to let's try this. I hope we're still recording because this took me a lot of pain doing all this. So I'm like, let me just record my experience. So we're live previewing the thing. Yeah. It's so good. I'm recording this with my Zoom R8. Before I used to used to make some crackling noise before, but instead of using ASIO, I just use the direct using Reaper instead of using ASIO for raw. Oh, is it clipping? Hello123. Yeah. So I used my Zoom R8 and I created a preset with the mic, whatever it's called, and I can speak as loud as I want. It's not going to clip. Instead of I'm using direct sound instead of using the ASIO. That way, it doesn't make crackling noise if I'm doing screen recording with the internet and all that stuff. That's another video by itself because that was the problem for like 1 year. Anyway, so yeah, this is the problem I was going through. So I'll be like, but where's the theme I downloaded? Where's the theme? Why am I not seeing the picture, the beauty of the theme here? Why am I not seeing anything here? That was my initial problem, So I realized that maybe I needed to delete my original website video, my website front end, which I've done now, but it's acting like I'm gonna go ahead and why there's nothing in the preview? I don't even know why. Okay, I think I know why. I need to go into the themes. Let me activate this. Let's see, activate and publish. Maybe this is the type of problem I've been going through where I will get a theme, nothing will show up. It will just be blank. I'm like, this people are showing me beautiful themes with, sign up here. They're showing this picture here. They're showing this page here. They're showing this video here. They're showing a lot of like a full website, like a mock-up, which you can take that one and make it yours. Maybe change the videos, put your own video. Change the pictures, put yours. Change the titles and what's reading and put yours. Then change the colors. Before you know, it's like your whole new website. But anytime I do that, I don't see nothing showing up. And this I searched, I never found any answer on YouTube. Never found any answer for this. But no problem. So I'm gonna leave this place and I'm gonna go back to the place where the theme is, and I'm going to see what I'm gonna do about this. I don't know, but we'll see. So I'm gonna pause this. Okay. So now this is the theme that this was the Astra now. So I'm gonna now delete the Astra. To delete a theme, I had to watch like 10 videos. Still didn't get it clear. So simple. To delete a theme, that's why this video is full of many things. To delete a theme is just, for example, you might have many themes appearing here, right? Scrolling, many themes might be there. Add new. So normally there's one theme that's always active. In this case, I've made this one active. Before it was this, I was active, for example, right? So this is the active one. You can see this one doesn't say anything active. It's telling me to activate it, which means it's not active. So you can only delete the themes that are not active. This one that are like this ones. Normally it's only one that is active. So this one to delete is just simple. Just click where it says theme detail. Then you can see delete will appear here. So simple. People don't know people talk too much. This Weibo people. Just simple like that. Just delete it. And it's okay, it's gone. Now that theme is gone. If I want to delete this one right now, maybe I cannot. Because that's the one it's like one theme has to be active. I can click here and get more theme, I think. So another thing, when you download a theme, you have to kind of like click all the buttons to preview it, to install it, to apply it. I've forgotten the term. I would like that my website, once I click the theme will just take over the whole website. It will now, so when we now click view site, it will have all those pictures and all those things in the theme would now look like my website. But I don't know why it's still not doing that yet. This is the problem that I faced before. But I solved a lot of things along the way, but we're still here. So and nobody could answer that. But this doesn't mean that my pages are destroyed. Doesn't mean that my pages are gone. They're still there. Doesn't mean that I've lost anything. They're still there. Because I'm dealing with Elementor. At least it's good to know that. So anyway, so I'm gonna go back to, maybe I can do from here. But this one is still here. It's just this one is still here. It's just it's one of the posts. Nothing destroys it. Let's just close out of that. I'm not changing anything. I'm not saving anything. So back here. So how can I install a theme and have a theme represent my website? Like, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go to how's it? What was it? What did we install right now? Okay, just go to the themes. We installed something called full site editing is here. I think no. I think that maybe I need to click get started. Maybe I need to click get started. See, the thing is, the whole thing is so confusing the way they do it. Yeah, I think you have to click this get started. So they are so weird. Install the theme, but then you think it's because in music, and when you install something, that's all. When you install something, it will be there. But with internet, or what's it called, website, install is not everything. You install the theme, now you have to activate it. You have to do this. You have to do that. It's kind of weird. So now, see that thing that I click right now? Anyway, so now I now have to click one of this. Anyone that look like a video wall, I'm going to click it. That I can use to. So I want my website to look like one of these where I can have different videos, and then they can enjoy my videos alone. But these are all paid. These are all paid. This is like pro. What about this? So there's one theme that's called J News that looks like this. This one is nice too, but it's a paid one. See the thing in the corner there. I want something like that. Let's see which one. But most of these ones are all paid now. So normally I would think that one theme is one theme, but now that's one theme, but he has other themes that it comes with. See the confusing thing with this internet something. Just give it a different name. I really like this one. There's music here or something. But maybe this pro, maybe you have to buy it. Yeah. So you have to click preview, and then click something import or something like import before the theme will now take over your website. But even when I did that successfully, it was still having some error on top. The error was like it's not compatible with Elementor that I had. Blah blah blah. I don't even know what that means, but no problem. Let's try it. This one is good. Column. I think I tried this one before. Okay, this one is not bad. Okay, let's see other one. That color mag is good. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. So you're gonna say import here. You're gonna take a. Your site will look similar as it. Okay, let's read this because I'm doing it for the first time. Importing. I don't know why it's all red. It's like warning or something is wrong. Importing demo data will ensure that your site will look similar as theme demo. It makes you easy. Huh? It makes you easy to modify. It makes you easy to modify the content instead of creating them from scratch. Also consider before importing the demo. Importing the demo on the site if you have already added the content is highly discouraged. What are you saying? You need to import demo on fresh WordPress install to exactly replicate the That's the problem I was going through. You need to install it on a fresh WordPress install for it to look exactly the way it looks. That's why I was having some kind of error. It will install the required plugins as well as activate them for installing the required theme demo within your site. Copyright images, blah, 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 blah. It will take some time to import the theme demo. I'm going to try. I guess I know why it had a picture. Now it's installing. You see, this should have been a different term right now. Can say it's importing. Okay, now it's importing. So it's importing the theme. These are the things I didn't know. Once for me, I just installed the theme. I think, but why is it not showing up? Because there's more steps. Wow. And no human being on the internet explained this and I'm going through right now. Not a single soul explain all these things. Because they talk too much. Anyway, so I'm going to pause this video. The other one I did before, it worked just like this. Took a long time. But then it has some error on top with the... It worked. I sure everything wasn't looking pretty and perfectly, but at least I knew it was something. The next step was now to learn how to make it work. But then I had not deleted most of the plugins that I had. So now that I deleted all the plugins that I have, and deleted all the themes, so this should work properly. And I've also deleted my front page of my website, so this should work properly. If it doesn't work properly, then we'll see. Oh, it's finished. Okay. Well, this didn't take too long. The other one took like 20 minutes. So I want to say live preview. Yeah, this looks good. This didn't have any error. Didn't have any error. It doesn't look like my website actually. So this is the problem that I'm having. You see, this thing that you're seeing here, these are my pages. These are some of my pages here. But the pages also appear within the website. If I delete some of them, maybe this will, or maybe I can go into my pages in my website, which is the WordPress and this wouldn't appear. But some of them are really, really important. I'm still using this one. My course is using one of these ones. This one should be deleted, yes. So I don't know why these ones are appearing here. Maybe that's why they said it's good to have a fresh install of WordPress. But I cannot have a fresh install because when I do a fresh install, the name of my website appears twice. Like this is Born to Sing with Guitar. It's Born to Sing with Guitar.com/Born to Sing with Guitar.com. I didn't like that. And with this one doesn't do that. If I have a new name, then it's doing that. I don't know why. So I'm like, let me just use this one that I have and turn it into a new website, which is becoming impossible, that like as you are seeing right here. So I don't know why this one is blocking everything from behind. Dashboard. Oh, sorry. Color news. Yeah, so this is the problem. Should I click this? I don't know why it's I don't even know why it's like that. If I click this, it will take me to the page. So this I don't know why this one is covering the whole page, but I saw it right now. Is it search? Oh my goodness. Shit. My main site. This was the other one before. This is a post that the other one I was talking about before. It's crazy. This is very difficult. I don't know. I just don't understand. See, it's acting like a news. Airplane designed to make it easier to sleep in economy, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this one is not showing up. All right. So I don't know how to get rid of this to stand in the front. I don't even have idea at all. What's gonna happen if I click this? So I imported the So this is the kind of thing I was asking before. How do you delete that? Delete that, just delete the theme and delete some plugins that it may have brought with it. And that's all. Make it look like you have to go and do this, you have to go and do that. Deactivate what? It seems you've imported the theme demo successfully. Now the purpose of this plugin is fulfilled and it has no more use. So if you're satisfied with this import, you can safely deactivate it by clicking. I didn't know that. Okay. Really? Nobody ever said this with all the millions of videos I watched. Okay, but all in one. No, not this one. Very confusing, people. So I can go and I don't know which one. I don't know what this one is. I'm gonna have to delete this one. Google listing and ads. Leave that. Gutenberg, Cadence, Presto Player Pro. Yeah. So I leave these very important ones. Protected videos. This is the one I use in making the videos protected that nobody can download it. This is one of the best plugins I've ever had. I hope there are other ways to embed videos that people cannot download, but that's good. This, I don't know what it is, starter template. Maybe I should remove this one. I just say, starter templates. Just I don't fucking care what it is. So in order to delete or uninstall a plugin, it's a different process also. You have to first of all deactivate it. After you've successfully deactivated it, then you can now delete it. They don't call it uninstall, they call it delete. These are the things I'm saying, that people should make video about all these things and those terms, but they don't know how to talk. People have a sickness of not able to talk clearly. They'll be talking, they'll be beating about the bush, they'll be floating in the air. They'll be like, they don't know how to talk the important things. They're just showing off how skilled they are. They'll be talking some clever. Do you know that if you do this, they're always looking for something clever to talk about, as if they're trying to impress people and leave the main job of trying to explain something for the people to understand. Kind of weird people. I couldn't delete also this one, Feeds for YouTube. I tried many times, I couldn't delete it. Anyway, so nothing else to delete. Scalable, okay, I'm gonna, yeah. So now after deactivating it, then it shows the delete. Then I can delete that one, deleting. So theme grid, this is new now. So maybe I'll delete this one also. Theme grill. So one of the ways of making this thing work, you have to know what to delete. Sometimes deleting things can save you a lot of headache. This one is total cache. That one I'll leave it. Anything having to do with cache, I'm sure I installed those ones, I'll leave it. So yeah. Elementor. Maybe there will be a time I can delete. Maybe I can also deactivate Elementor. Maybe to help. Maybe to also help. But when I want to open my other, it might affect. I don't know whether to affect what is already gone live that's using Elementor. Maybe it's only the back end when I'm working on it that it causes problem. Maybe when the site's already live, maybe it doesn't change anything. Anyway, so let's see again. So let's go and see my website. So all the top say Color Mag General News, but I don't know why it's not displaying correctly, perfectly. I know it's kind of telling me to install a fresh, what it's called. I don't know why it has this. I don't know why it has this thing. Okay, what I want to do right now, I'm going to go into this thing. I'm going to look at my pages. I'm going to delete many of them. Many of them, I don't need them. Many of them are just there for when I was starting to learn this thing, and I'm still learning it. So I'm going to go into I'm going to go here into, I'm going to look for the pages, and I'm going to delete many of the pages. I don't know why the pages show up in the main website when I install a new theme, and it's blocking everything. So these are all the pages. See, all these ones, I don't need all these ones. These ones, they're the ones showing up there and blocking the view. So I noticed that Elementor, these are pages from Elementor. Yeah, it's not Elementor itself, it's just pages that are created. This one I'm going to keep it. I don't know why it has many of them. All these ones, I've not given them name. I'm going to delete them. Course 1 sales page. I've created a better sales page. So I'm deleting all of this. I hope I can delete all at once. I don't know, but yeah, this one. Blog, this one. The thing is easy, but people that do them, they want the people to suffer. They just say move to trash. So I'm going to say apply. Also, when I try to delete many things at once, when it comes to plugin, I couldn't do it. I had to delete it one by one. I tried the same thing like this, where I'm doing it right now, but it worked with the theme and it worked with the pages. Like I just choose all the ones I don't want. I just go into this bulk actions and choose whatever I want. But I don't want this one. Why is this one still here? New theme test. Oh my god, I want this. All these ones, I don't need all this. Yeah, they're still here. Many things still popping up. Maybe these ones are coming with this with the theme that I just downloaded now. Testing elite typography. WPress. It's still here. Why these ones are still here? Yeah, so I'm gonna now say move to trash. Apply. So all this one with the all this ticked one should go. Interesting. Wow. Yeah, now there are few now. But one thing, there's no place like refresh or save or something. I hope it's okay now. So now let's go back to the main page and refresh this page. Maybe most of this thing should disappear by now. Yeah. Better now. Not that I like this. I don't care about this stupid thing here. No. But I think the pages are like normally in a website you have pages on top here like this. So people can click something and go and see what this is all about. I can this is not so bad. But of course I also have to learn how to edit it and so see this is not like Elementor. This is not like Elementor. More like the Gutenberg kind of something. Interesting. So we're making progress. So let me just click one of these my pages. Let me just see what's going to happen. Is it going to take, because the page is done with Elementor. I don't know how it's going to open here. Okay. It opens in a different page. Okay, like a different tab also. See what I'm saying? These are the pages that I've done, and I'm still going to use them. This is a course I'm about to sell also. Wow. So I was able to do Elementor. I mean, I've gotten a little bit used to Elementor. It's difficult, but at least I've been able to do it well. So, oh, it didn't open a different page. I'm sorry. It just it behaved like in a website where you click something, another part opens. It's like part of the website. But website design with Elementor, you don't see the pages within. You don't see those pages within the main website. So I don't know how I can hide those pages. Anyway, yeah, maybe these pages are working like that because of the theme that you downloaded. So, but why should they be on top of the screen like that? Maybe I need to arrange it and give it color. Okay, design it. Okay. All right, so that's interesting. Very, very interesting. So I just wanted to share that. Super course. These are the. Can I like hide them? Maybe. Clear cache, edit quickly. Could I hide them? Is it possible to hide? Let me see. Edit, block action. Is it possible to hide them? Quick edit, view, clear cache. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Anyways, so I think there's nothing more for me to show you in this video. I'm just gonna learn the rest of the things, and I can make video about them or not. But what I'm trying to do is right now. Okay, what I'm gonna try one more time before I stop this video that you're watching is to try to install another theme and just make it give it a kind of like a more YouTube like I'm trying to make my website look more like no, let me just copy this to a different tab. I'm trying to make my website look more like a platform, like a social platform. So they see, like, this is my logo, for example, for my website. I could actually click that and my website will pop up, but I know it will all look messed up right now. I can just actually delete this, open a new tab, and use this. This is my website normally, but with this new look, that with all this that we're creating, it will be a total mess. Yeah. So I want a theme that I can download or install. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, that all this will just show up like this, but a better one, not this one here. So, well, interesting. Let's pay delete cache click. Is it delete cache click? Just go. So now that's okay. So I'm gonna now go here and I'm gonna delete that theme. So I'm gonna go to appearance. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make my website. I'm trying to create a website. Okay, I already have a website, but I'm trying to make it look like a social media like YouTube. That's what I'm trying to do. So we're in the themes right now. So I cannot remove this theme because this theme is active right now. Now they didn't say that. They didn't even write anything in the corner here to let the people know what's up. They're so stupid. So now I have to go to the themes and install another theme. So anyway, let me just try one more. And no, they have some other thing. Okay, this company, this Color Mag, have other themes that is it theme I'll call them. They have other things that were appearing there, many beautiful ones as well that I could try. I don't know how to get to that place where I was seeing many other ones. Is it customized maybe? Where I saw other examples. This is just one of the themes or other looks. Wow, this is not for the faint-hearted. When people design things and make it so complicated that what are these? This is the same one. This is pro version. This is the same one. There was one I could see other themes and other. What am I even doing? I don't even know anymore. This is if I want to customize it. Maybe I want to change the color of this one. I want to make it look different. If I want to design it, like they call it customize. So menus, color mag options. Where are the other themes that they have? Okay, no, I don't care now. So I'm just gonna try to remove this by going for another WordPress.org themes. No, I'm just gonna look for other themes. I have some themes that are already downloaded. I've still not found the real one that I need, but Wow, this is not easy at all. Okay, didn't find anything, so I'm just gonna go here. Even if I search, where's it gonna search it from? I'm not gonna say upload theme, then browse. Normally, there are many on the internet, but these are some of the ones that I have. Blank canvas, the headlines, splash. Let's try this splash news. Because most of the news theme, they a little bit look like YouTube because they have a lot of things on this on one page at once. That way, I can have my videos popping up in different places. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, but it's taking a lot of time. So this is installed. So very careful. Got to read, unpacking the. See, it says unpacking, but it's already installed, and they have a way of being confusing. So live preview activate. Go to theme page. Now which one? I don't know. Theme page. No. Just let me just see it. Live preview. Nobody also in the whole internet. Nobody told me if you are trying different themes, this is what you do. You know, this and that. They make it look like, oh, if you're trying a different theme, it can ruin your website. I have to do a backup first. Blah blah blah. But I'm just trying from the start. Nobody said. But if you're having a new website that you're building, there's nothing to fear. This how it works. This and this and this and this and how it all works. Nobody said that. I'm just discovering it by myself. So what's the point of having them having videos when they can't even explain properly? Is this not the same one I had before? Okay, this is preview, right? Okay, which means if I like it, then change. What does this change? Okay, this is where you need to. This is where you design. No. Okay, this is where I'm choosing. So this is a theme. This is a theme. There's actually three themes. Okay. This is the new one I just installed. It's so confusing. Thank God I remember the name. This is the new one I just installed. Splash News. So let me just say customize. There's nowhere else to clip. Nowhere else to click. So let me just click this customize. Do this one. But this is the color mag. It's not color mag I want. I want the other one. Splash News. These people are fucking confusing. I think I have to activate it first. Okay, I have to activate it first before. Oh my goodness. Whew. I have to activate it first. Then it takes over the whole thing. So now it's the active one. Then I can. So confusing. Wow. Simple thing I'm doing like that. People when people make video about this, they wouldn't say all these things, and they just be clicking. Oh, see this picture here? See how it's nice? And I can put this. They're not even saying the process. Like this customize means this, install means this. These things on the left pane of the screen. This is where you get this. They don't explain the workings of the stuff. They're just talking about what they are designing and how clever they think they are. So active theme is Splash News, all right? So now, how do I install it like the other one? It's active and see, this is the problem I had before. Now I've installed the theme, I've made it active, but it's not taking over the site yet. Maybe I need to refresh. But in the other one, to install it, I had to import it, I had to do other stuff. Crazy world we live in. So hopefully to have a different look by now just by installing it. But the one thing that I installed, it took like 20 minutes to bring in all the photos and the videos and all the design and everything. So I don't know why this one has just changed the theme. I need to bring everything in. See, I told you. Because anyway, this is the active one, but it's not taking it. So maybe I don't know how to do that. Maybe I need to click customize theme detail. Maybe I need to click this for it to customize it for you to but customize, but it's still the older theme that is still there. This one is still there. See that other one that I call my main site is appearing here. It's so fucking crazy. Oh my goodness. This is a disaster. Oh Lord. Yeah. Why is this one here? Uncategorized. I guess maybe each of these are also pages. I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway. What happened if I click that? Yeah. Thank God I have enough hard disk space. The recording would have stopped by now. Okay. Oh. See, this page opens now. Can I hide this thing on this side? Is it like this? Oh my God, it's not like that. Shit. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to find out how to do the rest. So, these are the theme. I wanted this theme to, maybe I have to say get started. Maybe I have to come outside of that place and look at the theme. Well, maybe I have to find a place that says get started. Maybe not customize. Maybe get started. This is splash new. Maybe I needed to click get started. They have too many terms and so many, like, you see, this one is hitting up here. Just put the main thing here to do. Upgrade to Pro. So what the fuck is this now? Get started, but I don't see. We're not starting anything. Demo content. Theme preview. Demo content. Customize theme options. What is this? I thought he said I should get started, but it's not starting anything. Okay. So fucked up. I just wanted to record this kind of problem so you can see what I've been going through. So I'm going to, this one is active. I'm going to, I can't delete it. So I'm going to look for another theme again. Let me look for another theme. Yeah, there are no themes here. Some of them you click them, they have a theme, and they have loads of themes that come with them. Where are all of those themes now? Now it show me the regular themes that you find with WordPress. But I want that you wouldn't see on themes here. Those themes that have videos and things like that. This one, Chrome News. Okay, this one is not bad because it has something in the corner like a playlist. You can use this like one video here, and this are the playlist. So let's say it says install details and preview. Let's preview. Like they have so many terms and so many things. Usually, like if there are 5 things, let me know all the 5 things. But you keep finding different ways of how the thing works. So this is how this one will look like. I don't like this thing going up. I don't like that one moving on stuff. Maybe it's still loading. I don't like this one. I mean, thank God I previewed it. But if it can actually enter my site and look like this, that's what I'm trying to see first of all, because I'm still learning this shit. Okay, is this the install here? They can hide the main buttons in different corners. So is this the install for this one now? Install the theme? Okay, let's install it and see. After I install it, then you have to activate it. Then you have to view it. Then you have to download it. Then you have to import it. How many terms have to activate it? So sometimes you activate a theme, it has still not replaced what was there before. Man. My goodness. Now you what next? Okay, why is it like this right now? Now showing me advert of Elementor right here. I wish I could do my own and these people would go out of sight. I'll be billionaire because these are so bad. I'll create something that'll be so easy to use. So now that one that I downloaded, I have to make it not active. Whatever the name was, I don't even know anymore. It was what? Was it this Splash News? No, it does. Can't even see it here. It's the Chrome News. Okay, was it Chrome News? Yes, it was Chrome News. So now let me click Get Started. Because that's the only thing I see. I see customize. Customize what? When it has not. I don't even know the difference between customize and Get Started. I don't know. There are too many things. Click customize. It doesn't even show the thing in your site, and you are saying customize. They should just say get started. Then when you've started, the thing is now working in your site. Then you're showing customize when it's not the main. Something is wrong. I don't know. Anyway, let's go to the home and see. Maybe it has changed, but it is supposed to have changed. But how stupid and dumb they are, they wouldn't want it to change because they want to give you a headache. It's still this color mark that is here. I think it looks better now, this one. It doesn't have those things in the front. Oh, okay. It has my things here looking like this. Okay, my pages. I think it's got a dark theme too. This is what I'm talking about. How I can install a theme and it can give my website a completely new look. Then I can go in and start changing it. This is too big. Okay, make it smaller. I don't like this color. Blah. And my name is not Color My General. I put my own name like that. Instead of this thing, I put a different picture. I put a different video, and I'm making my own. But they're not doing that. They just show me all this fucking thing with negative things they're saying here. Negativity fall on the devil, or so I don't think it's changing yet. So I think it's a go back one step. Is it customize? Color Mark News dashboard themes. Really? I think it shows you on top here the main theme that is active on the top. So when I say get started, it's get started with but Chrome News. So why has the Chrome News not been the one that's taken over? And it's active. So if this one is the one that is active, why is it showing me something else? That's the problem. It's still showing me this color mag. Okay, I'm going to delete this color mag. Maybe I need to delete it. Maybe then it will go away. So it's very very confusing. Extremely confusing. So this is Chrome. I've deleted that one. Let's see what's gonna happen. So it's still showing color mag here, even though I've deleted it. Anyway, get started with Chrome. Why does it get? But it's active. Why is it not taking over the site? Like install or import or whatever. Okay, I guess I should stop the video. I should not do my research while videoing. I should just stop. Maybe somebody may watching this be like, no, stop. So maybe I should stop because somebody's watching, but like, you don't get it. It's not like that. I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to continue seeing how this thing works. Thank you. Peace.